You have been following a series of videos is how to cultivate malanga, and one of the things that we do with malanga is applying carbonato de calcio and calcium carbonate. And this is cal, is agriculture cal. It's like yellowish, and well, for me, I'm using this mask to protect my nose since I'm just recovering from a surgery. Look, this one, how I apply this. I take small portion of cal, and you put it in. And where's the seedling? Here, a seedling, and you just throw it at it. Look, here's my friend Juan Carlos. And then you have my other friend Mauricio. There. Yes, the guys say I'm a slave. I'm making them slaves. That I'm a slave owner. I'm not.